Hey guys, it's Ifa here, and this is little Luna and her little blue eye window to the universe. Today I'm gonna show you the Celtic border, massive border I'm putting around my big ink mural on the wall. How to do that border, and then later we got some fun stuff. We're gonna go out, we're gonna watch a film, and I've also got a costume that I'm gonna make and show you how I make. So yeah. And this is like the inspiration I was using for that border. I've been looking at this book with Celtic stuff at the moment to do with like building on that sacred geometry. Just a simple like diamond pattern that you basically build a plait off. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and feel inspired to get creative in your own life. Enjoy! One side done. I wasn't sure about it, but I think it looks quite nice now that it's cut out. It's pretty chunky. I like it. I think it frames it nicely. It definitely needed something like just to edge it, so yes. So it's taken my brain quite a while, but I think I can now do the process without looking at the other piece for reference, because really it is just a plait, like a weave that you do in your hair. So, and you're following a basic structure, it can blow your mind for a bit. I think I got it now. Put on some makeup. First time in a long time. Oh, and I got clothes. I find it fascinating how different makeup can make people look. Like, we don't want it to define ourselves. We want it to play, you know? Like, this is very Y2K makeup, but you know, just like enjoy the shapes of your body, of your face, of like different features you want to bring out, but like love your naked self, your like pure raw self just as much, more, because that's the real you. Today I'm going to be turning these two pair of trousers. They're Muay Thai fighting trousers. Awesome stars down the side. And I'm gonna tailor them to have one red leg and one blue leg because it is time for Joker 2, so I'm gonna dress as Harley Quinn. That's the basic pattern cut in two to make the split colour. They look pretty good. It's a bodge job, but hey, it's cool. Oh no, I've ruched it. How have I done? Okay, that's better. I'd kind of like taken it up and it had ruched. But they just about work now. And now, from two pairs of trousers, I have a pair of combo shorts, a pair of combo trousers that I will finish sewing later, and a pair of, I'm going to use these as leg warmers, matching the shorts, opposite. Yeah. So now we're off to see Joker 2 at the cinema. I got my Harley Quinn shorts and my Harley Quinn makeup. Yes. And before we go to see Joker, we're also going to go to the arcade and see if we can win like a blow up mallet, because that's very Harley Quinn. Yeah. I was really nervous, and then there's people over there that is dressed as the Joker and the Harley Quinn. He's got green hair, yeah. It's arcade time.
Find the case.
Oh my god, he's an avocado! Kind of adorable. Prizes. I need a mallet. Is there any mallets? There's no mallet.
Yes, a mallet.
Oh, I kind of like that. I love these machines. They remind me of Japan. like a classic date night, going to the arcade and the cinema. So pretty.
There we go.
Hi.
You guys see?
Number 1. Sofa cinema, luxury. Review while we're still in the cinema. Far too much musical usage. See, we break into musical like 8 times. There was good stuff in the storyline, but no. Sorry. The whole film as it was could have been a recap at the beginning of the new film in just 10 minutes, and then they make a whole new film from that. They missed a trick there.